82 in the activity book. Hoobity boobity boo 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 boo. Actually, we're on page 83 because we're skipping this page. Read and match. Okay. Let's do it. Read these and then match them. Okay, so Rugo, let's play basketball. 是这个 not woman. 我们写 let's write. Let's play basketball. But wait, is that basketball? No, that's not basketball. That's a TV. So we're gonna have to work on it. Ready? Stop the video. Do it. Then come back. Let's see. The first one is let's play basketball. Woman want basketball ba. Where do you see a basketball? Hey, here it is. Let's play basketball. And what about B? B. Let's play the piano. Pia, pia, piano, piano, piano. Pia, pia, piano, pia, piano. Let's play the piano. Let's play football. Where is football? Is that football? No. Is that football? No. Is that football? Yes. Let's play football. Young woman want football. Let's swim. Swim. This is easy, guys. I'm just going to kind of give you the answers because it's too easy. Let's watch television. Let's watch TV. Let's play tennis. Let's ride our bikes. Let's ride our bikes. 是什么意思? What is our? 我们的. 让我们骑我们的单车. Let's ride our bikes. Let's play the guitar. Okay. And then of course I kind of forgot to write. H, G, F, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Hey! T, U, V. Hey! W, X. Hey! Y, and Z. Now let's do some sounds and spelling. Hooten, dooten, dooten, dooten. How do we say this letter? 我们怎么说这个 letter 这个字母? S, 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 s. Listen and say the rhyme. My sister Sally likes salad and swimming, but I like spiders, sausages, and snakes. Can you say that? My sister Sally likes salad and swimming, but I like spiders, sausages, and snakes. 自己唱这首歌在我们的群里. Sing me this song
Listen
in our group.
and say the rhyme.
My sister Sally likes salad and swimming, but I like spiders, sausages, and snakes. My sister Sally likes salad and swimming, but I like spiders, sausages, and snakes.
Can you say it? Okay. The friendly farm. Read and circle the correct word on the friendly farm. What is Tom doing? Tom's riding Harry or Tom's watching Harry? Well, actually, I think Tom is doing both. he is watching Harry. 他在看 Harry, but he's riding Harry. Tom 正在骑 Harry. 正在是什么呢？ ing. Riding 正在骑 watching 正在看 singing 正在唱歌 eating 正在吃 eating 正在吃 painting 正在涂颜色 playing 正在玩 cleaning 正在洗东西 painting 正在涂颜色 ing 的意思就是正在 ing 就是正在做事情。Stop the video, do it yourself, come on back. Rocky's brother and sister are singing or eating? Singing. She's eating a book or she's eating a sock. That's a sock. She's eating a sock. Okay, eating a sock. She's painting her face or painting her feet. She's not painting her face. I'm painting her face. She's painting her feet. 她正在 she is painting her feet. Rocky says he is playing the guitar or the piano. Rocky is playing the tennis guitar. Henrietta is cleaning or painting the barn. Well, it looks like she's painting, but actually, she's cleaning the barn. Okay? 我们看一下 Tom's 的意思是 Tom is. Tom is riding, 因为 Tom 是一个他 is. He, she, it 一直是 is. Tom is riding the horse. What is Tom doing? He is riding the horse. Is he riding the horse? He is riding the horse. Let me get rid of all this other stuff. Nah. Rocky's brother and sister are singing. Okay, 这个 Rocky's 不是 Rocky is， 这个 Rocky's 是 Rocky 的 Rocky 的哥哥和妹妹正在唱歌。为什么不是 Rocky's brother and sister is singing？ 因为只是两个人，你要说他们在唱歌，他们就是 they。所以他们就是 are. They are singing. Rocky's brother and sister are singing 跟 they are singing 差不多。They are singing 的意思是他们正在唱歌。Rocky's brother and sister are singing 的意思是 Rocky 的妹妹哥哥正在唱歌。Okay? She's eating a book. She 是她，所以 she is eating a book. She is painting her face. Rocky says, Rocky 说他正在 Rocky says he is. 有是 he is painting, playing the guitar. Henrietta 是一个她在洗 the barn. Henrietta is. Okay? 我在弹吉他怎么说？我在弹吉他怎么说？ I am playing the guitar. 你在 painting your face 呢？你在吗？你是不是在 painting your face? Are you painting your face? You are painting your face. Okay. Look and talk about the people and animals. Use the words in the box. Watching 正在看 Riding 正在骑 Talking 正在 talk 正在说话 Walking 正在走路 Singing 正在唱歌 Smiling 正在笑 ing 的意思是正在 OK，这个是一个你可以发到我们的群里，你看这些图片，然后告诉我他们正在做什么。比如说 Mr. Friendly is watching Tom and Harry. Mr. Friendly 正在看 Tom 还有 Harry. OK? The two kids are smiling. 他们所以是 are. They are smiling. The two kids are smiling. Cameron is, 因为 Cameron 是一个他, he is watching Harry. 或者 he is watching Mr. Smiley. 或者 he is playing with the chicken, Henrietta. What about the boy? The boy is riding the horse. The boy is riding Harry. What is Harry doing? Harry is walking. What are these cute guys doing? They are. They, 他们, they are singing. 他们在唱歌. What is the goat doing? The goat is smiling. 他在笑. He is watching the chicks. Okay? 有很多你可以说 Who is talking? Who is talking? Cameron and Henrietta are talking. Maybe the boy and girl are talking. Maybe daddy is talking. I don't know. Okay, 所以你觉得他们在做什么？你告诉我在群里，这是你的作业，好不好？ Okay. Look and read. Write yes or no. The girl's driving a car. The girl's driving a car. 的意思是 the girl is driving a car. 我真的不知道为什么他们要让你们学习更复杂的东西。你不需要学习复杂的东西的时候，为什么要写 the girls？ 简直写 the girl is 吧，这个更简单。哎呀，不知道为什么。The girl's driving a car. Is the girl driving a car? No, she is not driving a car. She is riding a bike. No. The baby is running. No, this baby is not running. What is the baby doing? The baby is gulp, 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 drinking some milk. Nope. Stop the video, do it yourself, then come back and I will help. The boy is playing tennis. No, tennis. The mother is painting a picture. No. Painting a picture 的意思是画画，一个画画。The father is playing the guitar. Yes, he is playing the guitar. Yes. The grandfather is listening to music. I don't think so. Unless he's got some iPods in or whatever. No. Okay? 那如果你真聪明，你就可以写他们在做什么。The girl is driving a car. No, she isn't. She is riding a bike. Ooh, 更厉害. The baby is running. No, it isn't. We can also say he or she, but because I don't know if it's a boy baby or a girl baby, I'll just say it. No, it isn't. It is drinking milk. The boy is playing tennis. No, he is not. He is playing soccer or football. No, I said playing. He's playing football. The mother is painting a picture. No, she isn't. She is listening to music. The father is playing the guitar. Yes, he is. He is playing the guitar. The grandfather is listening to music. No, he isn't. He is sitting and sleeping. He is sitting and sleeping. Look and write the words. All right. Oh, am, are, aren't, or are not. That's the same. Is or isn't, is not. Same thing, okay? What are you doing? 为什么是 what are you doing 而且不是 what is you doing 呢？因为你记得这个 you 一直是 are， he she it 才是 is， I 是 am。 OK， 所以他 is， I am， 其他都是 are。 OK， 所以你要记得 I 还有他 he she it。 What are you doing? I 什么 listening to music? I is listening to music? No. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. Boop. Stop it. Do it. Come on back. Are they playing basketball? No. They are 他们就是 are not playing basketball. No, they are not. 但是因为这本书需要让你做复杂的不需要做的东西，所以我们写 aren't. Is your mom watching TV? No, she 他就是 is. No, she is, or no, she isn't. No, she isn't. 其实 What's he doing? He he is playing the guitar. My he, my who, my ha, my ha. We're done. That was a short one. That's okay because the video before this was a long one. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.